Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. This is video number 3 of decorating, and today I'm going to be putting in my Christmas village. I love my Christmas village because it reminds me of sort of dreams that I had when I was a little girl. I went and visited some friends that were friends, actually work friends of my mom's. And this lady had a beautiful house, and inside of her house she had all of this beautiful, and I mean beautiful, Christmas village. And I used to think to myself when I was a kid, I'm going to have that one day. Well, I've not necessarily acquired as much as she had, but what little I have brings me a lot of joy. A lot of people are like, I don't want to fool with that. And sometimes I kind of dread the cords and lining it all up, but actually this year wasn't too bad. I do have a set of like mini houses, but you can't put the lights up in the house, and they're not the traditional village. And these are the traditional collector's items village, and I love it. I put it out every year. So I am trying to feed my cord through a hole of the hutch. And I cannot reach it. You'll notice when I try to put it through there, I cannot reach it. So I had to improvise. And the way that I did that was I got a pair of long tongs out of my kitchen drawer, and I was able to catch it and pull it through. Sometimes when you are somebody who is working alone, you have to, be inventive to get these things done. And so those tongs came in very handy for me. So as you can see, I got the lights all going. And used to, you could buy these lights that clipped up inside of the Christmas villages. And for whatever reason, I cannot find them anywhere. And I really don't want to go through the hassle of ordering them. So what I do is I arrange my lights underneath the snow, and then I pull a couple of the actual light bulbs up into the house to make it glow. Also, too, something I did learn, if you do it this way, don't buy LED lights. They are too bright and it doesn't look natural, and it's so bright, it's just ugly. These lights are very soft, it's very subtle, and it looks the way that it's supposed to. And I love the way that it comes together. So now I'm putting in all my little trees, and I've got little people, and I've got a Santa Claus. And I seen where Menards is selling a good bit of village, so this year I might go over there and buy me a couple pieces. It just depends on how much money I want to spend, because on these things, they're pretty pricey. But as you can see, it came together and I love it. It makes me happy every time I have it, every year. I just love the way it comes out. Now, Christmas would not be Christmas without my record player. Now, this is a Victrola that I bought Ronnie. It's a record player that is supposed to make your music sound, like it's old, and, like the old Victrola used to sound. And we love it. I bought it for him for Christmas, I'm thinking 2 years ago. And now I am putting in some Christmas scents by Yankee Candle, so there's nothing like a house smelling good. Now it is dinner time, and I wanted to share this with you because it is so delicious. I am browning up some Italian sausage that I just cut into little rounds. And once it gets browned, then I'm just basically going to take that and pour it over a whole head of cabbage, which you'll see here in a minute. This is actually a keto diet recipe, and I'm not eating it because it's keto, but it is so amazingly good. It is really delicious. Now you can see my cabbage there, and I'm going to put my sausage right on top of my cabbage. And then once I get the sausage on there, I'm going to pour an entire jar of spaghetti sauce, and then I'm going to cover it with foil, and place it in a 350-degree oven for about an hour or until the cabbage is tender. Now when you uncover it, it looks like this. But don't worry, we're going to put cheese on top of it and put it back into the oven. So I'm using mozzarella. And this is me getting ready to put it in. And this is what it looks like when it comes out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. I'm going to go eat dinner.